All right, now we're going to talk about estimating. Now, that's a really big word, but the neat thing is it's really similar to some things we've done in the past. Now, in the past in class, we've taken numbers and we've rounded up to the next number or down to the last 10. So in class, we would round, which means if we had 37, we would round it up to 40. And that was kind of like estimating, only in estimating, what we're doing is we're looking at something. I drew dots. Today on whenever you get to do your IXL lesson, they'll have different things for you to estimate. But I just drew dots. And instead of counting every single one of these, because that would take a lot of time, we're going to estimate, which means we're going to give it our best guess. Now, normally when we get to do school, we don't do guesses, do we? No, we don't normally get to do that, which is kind of fun for something different. So we're going to estimate, which means give it our best guess. So let's look at this together. Does it look like it's closer to about 30 or to about 80 dots? You probably just said about 30. But why would you say that? Because there's not a lot, right? Yeah. So if you want to, here, let's see how close we got. We said about 30, probably not about 80. Just for fun, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. That's only 6 away from 30, so way to go on estimating that. Now, sometimes if you get to go to like a county fair, or maybe you'll even see it at some restaurants where it'll say, guess how many of something is in this jar. Maybe guess how many jelly beans are in this jar, or guess how many M&Ms are in this jar. Now, you can't take the jar and open it and pour out all the M&Ms and jelly beans to count. Instead, what you do is to estimate, which is what we're doing right now. So this is something, next time you see one of those jars, you can think to yourself, oh, I know how to do that because I know how to estimate. Let's look at our next one. Look at these dots right here. Would you say it's about 20 or about 50? You're right, it would be about 20 because there's not a whole lot, but there are some. So we would say it's probably closer to 20 than it is to 50. Very good.